friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a delicious lamb dish from my hometown Sichuan, Cumin Lamb. If you're new here, my name's Yi and I share easy to follow Asian recipes that you can cook at home. Today we're going to use lamb leg from Trader Joe's. Lamb leg is the best part of lamb to use to cook this dish. So now let's get started. Here we have the lamb leg from Trader Joe's. It is grass-fed, free-range, and it's from New Zealand. Very high-quality meat. On the back, it says, for delicious recipe information, check out their website. However, after watching my video today, you'll have the best recipe ready. Cut open the packaging, remove the strings. Today, I'm going to use a little over half of mine. We'll first slice off the fatty part. Then cut into strips. Further chop the lamb into cubes. There should be some lean ones and some with a little fat, which is perfectly fine. The fat will add to the flavor. Move chopped lamb into a bowl and wash with water. Let it soak for 30 minutes. Next, we're going to prepare the aromatics of this dish. We have a few slices of onion. Make sure to use purple onion for this one. 1 piece of ginger. We're gonna only use the white part of the green onion, which is called 葱白, and a handful of cilantro. Cut ginger into slices. Chop scallion white into little pieces. Move into a bowl and cover with Shaoxing wine. We're basically letting the flavor soak into the Shaoxing wine. Set aside. Finely chop 2 slices of purple onion. Cut into strips first, then chop into very fine pieces. Cut the rest of the onion into cubes. Cut the stem part of cilantro into very fine pieces. Put them on the same plate with the finely chopped onion. Then roughly chop cilantro leaves. Drain the lamb pieces, squeeze out any residual water. Season with salt, white pepper powder, cumin powder, and soy sauce. Lastly, drop in the ginger and onion along with the Shaoxing wine. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, mix and let it marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we're going to prepare the dry spices for this dish. Take out 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of sesame seeds, a half teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn powder. Lastly, take out 1 small handful of cumin seeds. Now all of our ingredients are ready and we're ready to cook. Today I'm using a wok, but if you don't have a wok or you use other kinds of pans, it is totally okay. The dish will turn out delicious. So now let's get started cooking. Add oil to the wok, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Drop in the lamb. Let it fry for 1 minute. Stir and fry for 2 to 3 minutes until change color. Push lamb pieces to one side of the wok, dropping cumin seeds. Fry until fragrant. Mix in with the lamb. Drop in finely chopped onion and cilantro. Mix well. Now flip in the dry seasonings. Mix in thoroughly with the lamb. Drop in onion pieces and stir fry. Lastly, add some soy sauce via the side of the wok. Stir well. Turn off the fire and drop in cilantro leaves. You can also put cilantro leaves on the serving plate. After cilantro is all mixed in, it's time to serve. This cumin lamb is made with the traditional Sichuan recipe, and it really brings me back to the streets of Chengdu. A lot of halal restaurants in Chengdu would serve this dish as well, and it is a delicious treat. Alright guys, now our favorite part, the taste test. This just smells so amazing with all the aromatics we put in and all the spices, the cumin, the chili powder, it all smells so amazing. And I just cannot wait to try. So let's give it a try. Wow. The lamb is super tender and it's fully covered by all the spices, the flavors. It tastes super good. So if you ask me what's the best recipe for lamb leg, this is my favorite, cumin lamb. So I hope you give this recipe a try. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you next time.